Hello, today we will guide you through how to use Thinkorswim Position Statement. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to find your current holdings and how to read the key details that matter for day-to-day management of your trades. First, open the Thinkorswim app. Give it a moment to load your workspace. What you're about to view is a live snapshot of your account's positions, so keep in mind that values will update as the market moves. If it's after hours, some figures may not change until trading resumes. Next, click on the Monitor tab. Think of the monitor as your command center. This is where Thinkorswim collects what's happening in your account right now. Orders, fills, and most importantly for this video, your positions. If you ever feel lost in the platform, returning to the Monitor tab is a reliable way to get reoriented. Now click on Activity and Positions. This section organizes your account activity on the top and your position statement below. The position statement is the heart of this view. It aggregates all open positions so you can quickly see what you hold and how each position is performing. If you don't see anything listed, that simply means there are no open positions in the account you're viewing. Finally, click on the drop-down for Position Statement to expand it. You'll see your symbols grouped neatly, often with a line for the underlying and, if applicable, sub-rows for individual option legs or multi-part strategies. Let's break down the most common columns you'll see here so the numbers make sense at a glance. Quantity shows how many shares or contracts you hold. A positive number indicates a long position, and a negative number indicates a short position. Average price is your cost basis per share or contract. Marker last is the current market price Thinkorswim is using for real-time valuation. PL open reflects your unrealized profit or loss since you opened the position, while PL day shows how much that position has moved during the current trading day. Green typically indicates gains, and red indicates losses. As you review this information, remember that the position statement focuses on unrealized results, what your positions are worth now versus what you paid. Realized results, such as profits from trades you've already closed, are tracked separately in the platform's activity details. If you're managing multi-leg options, expanding a symbol helps you see how each leg contributes to the overall risk and PL, while the top line gives you the combined picture. That's it. Open Thinkorswim, go to Monitor, choose Activity and Positions, and expand the position statement to view and interpret your holdings clearly and confidently.